So today I plan to take type 3 problems. Totally I plan to take 5 problems. Uh, type 3. So type 3 ல வந்துட்டு there are function of z comma p comma q is equal to 0. Okay, and then function of x comma p comma q is equal to 0, and then function of y comma p comma q is equal to 0. Okay, so these are under type 3. Okay, wow. So these three problems are comes under type 3. Okay, now we know that what is p. P means dou z by dou x, and q is equal to dou z by dou y.
Dou by dou.
Yes, and then first problem, solve p into 1 plus q is equal to qz. So here you can see p is here, q and z. So and hence this is the form what f of z comma p comma q is equal to 0, and hence this is a type 3. Okay, wow. So I told that the first order PDE, nonlinear PDE, is of the form what x f of function of x comma y comma z comma p comma q is equal to 0. Type 1 is what? We have p and q only in type 1. Type 2 is Clairaut's equation. General form, you know that. Z equal to px plus qy plus function of p comma q. In type 3, you have what? Z pq. Similarly, type 3 la x pq. Similarly, what? Y pq. So we know that z is a dependent variable. Z is depending on what? X as well as what? Y. X and Y are independent variable. Okay. Now solution for this problem. So for this type of problem, especially for function of z comma p comma q, you should take let z equal to some function of u. Okay, where u is equal to linear equation in x and y. I am taking what? X plus ay, or you can take what? Ax plus y. That is also you can take. I will take x plus ay. U is, so then p is dou z by dou x, which is equal to dou z by, okay, well, z is a function of u. Okay, well, z is what? Function of u. That's why I'll differentiate partially with respect to what? U. And then u is function of x and y. So dou u by, you are differentiating with respect to x, here with respect to x. Okay, now p is equal to dou z by dou u p equal to dou z by dou u. What is dou u by dou x from here? 1. Okay, well, dou u by dou x is what? 1. So this implies p equal to dou z by dou u. Similarly, next what? Q equal to dou z by dou y. But again, z is what? Function of u. Differentiate z with respect to u, and then u with respect to what? Y.
Y.
Because Yeah, y, yes. So hence q equal to
A dou z
do-
upon
yeah, yes, dou
z.
z by dou u into dou u by dou y is what? A.
A.
Yes, correct. Okay, this implies q is equal to a into dou z by dou u. So now this is a q, this is p. Okay. So after finding p and q, okay, I will take the given problem is equation 1. I am going to substitute the value of p and the value of q here. So equation 1 implies p is what? Dou z by dou
Dou
u.
U.
Yeah, dou z by dou u. Yes, into 1 plus q. Q is a into,
1 plus A into dou Z by dou U
okay, is equal to
is equal to
uh,
A into
q.
dou
Yeah,
Z by dou U into Z.
yeah, a into dou z by dou u into z. Okay, yes, good. Now, actually, z is a function of u only. Okay, wow. Z is depending on what? U only. Okay, wow. So, dou z by dou u is same as dz by du because if we have function of two variables, for example, f of u comma v, then dou z by dou u is a meaningful. Okay, well, you cannot write dou in that time you cannot write dou z by dou u is equal to dz by du. Okay, well, now this is a function of u only. That's why I am going to write dz by ordinary derivative dz by du into 1 plus a into dz by du is equal to a into dz by du into z. Okay. Now you can cancel one of the dou z by dou u. So then what is remaining? 1 plus a
1 plus
into,
A into dz by du
equal to
is equal to AZ.
az. Yes. So from this a into dz by du, okay, wow, is equal to, or we can write dz by, okay, dz by du equal to az minus 1. Az minus 1. Now variable separable method. One side is z, another side is u. So a into dz by az minus 1 equal to du. Okay, now integrating, if you integrate, you will get, what? Log of az minus 1 is equal to u plus some constant. You can write b or c. Okay, wow. So if you differentiate log of a z minus 1, you will get what? 1 by a z minus 1 into, if you differentiate with respect to z, you will get what? A. So that's why directly I wrote what? Yeah, log of a z minus 1 equal to u plus b. Now we know what is u. U is what? X plus ay. So next step, log of az minus 1 is equal to x plus ay plus b. So actually here a and b are arbitrary constants. Here a and b are arbitrary constants. So complete solution of equation 1. So which is, comma, which is complete solution of the given problem or equation 1. Where here you can write where a and b are arbitrary constants. Okay. So we found complete solution. Actually, for type 3 problem, there is no need to find a singular solution. Okay, I will tell you why there is no need to find singular solution. First, next general solution. To find general solution. Okay, so to find general solution, we should start from complete solution. Complete solution is what is the complete solution? Log of a z minus
Log of
1.
az minus 1 is equal to x plus ay plus b, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. X plus ay plus b. I call this is equation number 2. Okay. Now, so usually, what we will do next after to find the general solution? Can anyone tell? Next என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Next.
Full partial
Difference
with
with
A.
respect to constant a and b.
Adish, என்னப்பா வெர்லின் put b equal to
F of
function of
a.
a. Yeah, f of a in equation 2. Okay, we get log of az minus 1 is equal to x plus ay plus b. B is f of a. I call this is equation 3. Next,
Differentiate with A.
yes, correct. Adish, differentiate equation 3 partially with respect to a. So, okay. Suppose if you tell the answer, then the class is a little bit interesting. That's why I'm asking a question. Okay. Now, this is if you differentiate partially with respect to a, we get 1 by az minus 1 into what? Z, because you are differentiating partially with
Into
respect
z.
to a. Okay. Here what? 0. Here with respect to a means what? Y.
Y plus
Y
F plus F.
plus x dash of a.
Yeah, dash of e. So this is equation 4. Now eliminate a between which equation?
3 and
Between
4, sir.
yeah 3 and 4. 3 and 4 gives the general solution. Gives a general solution. Next, to find a singular solution, so we'll start from complete solution again. The complete solution of okay, complete solution is log az log of az minus 1 equal to x plus ay plus b. Okay, so I call this is again, this is equation number 2. So we need to do what to find singular solution? Differentiate equation 2.
We need to differentiate with respect to a and b, sir.
Yes, differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to a and b. Okay, so if you differentiate equation 2 partially with respect to first a means what you will get? 1 by
1 by az minus 1 into z is equal to y, sir.
y. Okay, you call this is equation number 5. If you differentiate partially with respect to b means left hand side is what? 0, right hand side is
1,
1.
sir.
So actually this is not possible. Okay, wow. Which is,
So no singular solution, sir.
yeah, there is no single solution. Yes, which is not possible. So therefore, though there is no single solution of the given problem. There is no singular solution of equation 1. So problem 1 is over. Next problem 2. Okay. Solve 9pq z power 4 is equal to 4 into 1 plus zq. So this is a problem solution. So you can see here, you have what z function of what z pq. So type number 3. So first step, let z equal to function of u,
F of u.
where u is equal to x plus
X
ay.
plus ay.
Okay. So then directly, because the first problem, then only I wrote p equal to something. Okay, well, directly now you can write what? What is p? What is the value of p we obtained in the previous problem?
Dou z by dou u, sir.
And then we replace that dou z by dz
Dz by u, sir.
later.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because originally, yeah, I think yes. So that directly I will write. Next to q equal to
A into
a
dz
into
by du, sir. Dz by
sorry.
du.
Okay, wow. Okay. Now there is no need to prove. Directly you can take it. Now I am going to substitute
Yes,
these
sir.
two in equation 1. So equation 1 la substitute பண்ணும்போது we will get 9. If you multiply these two, you'll get what? A into dz by du whole
A
square
into dz by du whole square, sir.
pq na. Okay, z power 4 equal to 4 into 1 plus z cube. Okay. Now next step, I'm going to write dz by du whole square. I'll keep dz by du whole square left hand side. Dz by du whole square left hand side. Right hand side, 4 by 9a is constant. What is remaining? 1 plus z cube by z
1
power
plus
4.
z cube by z power 4.
Yes. Okay. So now from this dz by du equal to plus or minus 1, I'll take the positive value 2 by 3 into root a into root of 1 plus z cube by z square after taking the root. Now, so z cloud side, the remaining everything is the other side. So now z square variable separable method. Z square into dz by root of 1 plus z cube is equal to 2 by 3 root a cross multiply d. Okay, wow. Now you need to integrate. If you integrate on both sides, you will get integration. Okay, now I am going to take the substitution. Put 1 plus z cube is equal to t. 1 plus z cube equal to t. Then what you will get? 3z square is what?
Z square.
3z square equal to
T plus 1.
3d, sorry, 3z square into dz is
So 3z square dz is equal to dt.
dt. Yes. Okay, wow. From this integration, z square dz is what? From this dt by 3, yeah, dt by 3 divided by t, root t, which is equal to 1 by root a or 2 by root 3 into, okay, wow, 2 by 3 root a is constant. 2 by 3 into root a is constant. Integration of du is what? U. Okay, wow, this is what? U plus some constant b. Now, if you, I need to integrate the left hand side. 1 by 3 integration what? dt by what? Root t. Right hand side is 2 by 3,
2u by 3 root a
2 by 3
plus
root a, u plus b. So, okay, what is integration of dt by root t? I think can cancel what? 3 and 3. Okay, wow. 2 root t. If you integrate, because this is what? T power minus half the name. If you integrate t power minus half, you will get what? T power, you need to add 1. So for t power 1 by 2 divided by what? 1 by 2. This is equal to what? 2 into root t. So if you integrate, okay, wow. Or you can write one more step. Suppose if you want integration t power minus half into dt equal to what? 2 by root 3 root a. Okay, well, u. What is u? U is x plus ay plus b. So this is what? T power half divided by half. Okay, is equal to 2 by root a into x plus ay plus b. This is a 2 into t power half, that is root t, equal to 2 by root a into x plus ay plus b. So what is the t? We give substitution. T equal to what? 1 plus z cube. So 2 into root of 1 plus z cube equal to 2 by root a.
so 2 can be cancelled.
Yeah, 2 can be cancelled or divide by 2. Okay, wow. So then you will get another constant here. Okay, wow. Yes,
Yes,
here
sir.
b by 2 you should take what? C. So okay, I'll stop here. So which is the complete solution of, which is complete solution of equation 1. So general solutions and singular solution you should do as in the previous problem. So, okay, well, I will not write again because especially for type 3 problem, complete solution is more important. Okay. So general, because there is no single solution. We know that. So you know how to write general solutions. You should write the complete solution first, and then b equal to f of a, and then differentiate with respect to f of a, eliminate a between the two equations. That's all. So that part you will do it easily. So that's why I'll skip that one. I'll go to next problem. Solve q is equal to px plus p square. So here in this problem, we have what? This is what? Function of x comma p comma q equal to what? 0. So this is also type 3. So if you have x comma p comma q, so you should remember you need to give the substitution q is equal to a. Okay, wow. So you should remember this one. I'll take, this is equation 1. Then 1 implies q is a means PA, substitute Q is equal to A in equation 1, A plus PX plus P square. Or you can write this is what? P square plus Px minus A equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in P. So solve for P, you'll get P equal to minus B. B is what here? X plus or minus root of B square is what? X square minus 4. A is 1. C is minus A. So plus 4A by 2 into A. A is 1. So this is P. So now next consider D is equal to PDX plus QDY. So D is equal to, what is P? This is the value of P, minus X plus or minus root of X square plus 4A by 2 dx plus Q. What is Q? A into dy. Okay. Now I'm going to integrate. If you integrate, you will get, okay. So before this, I will split. Okay, wow. Integration dz is equal to integration minus x by x into dx by 2. Integration minus x into dx by 2. And then plus or minus 1 by 2 into plus or minus 1 by 2 into integration root of x square plus 4a into dx and then plus a dy. A integration dy plus some constant b. If you integrate, you will get what is that? Minus x square by 2 into 2, 4 plus or minus. Here I am using the formula. Here I am going to use the formula. Okay, I will write the formula here. Okay. Integration root of x square plus a square into dx, which is equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into sine h inverse of x by a. So this is the formula. Here a square equal to what? 4a. A square equal to 4a na, a equal to what? 2 root a. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, if you integrate this, what you will get? Within bracket, I will write x by 2 into root of x square plus a square. A square is what? 4a plus a square. A square is what? 4a by 2 sine h inverse of x. This is a square. A and then our 2 root a plus ay a into, if integration of dy is y plus b. So still you can simplify, multiply by 1 by 2, or you can cancel. Okay, I leave it to you. So which is the complete solution of, which is the complete solution of equation 1. Solution of equation 1. Okay. Next problem. Solve PQ is equal to Y. Actually, this is what? Function of Y comma P comma Q equal to 0. Solution. So here, so in the previous problem, we assumed what? Function of x comma p comma q, we take what? Q is equal to a. Here, you should take p equal to a. In function of y comma p comma q, you take p equal to a. This is equation number 1. So 1 implies, if we substitute p equal to a here, a q equal to y. From this, find the value of q. Q is equal to y by a. After finding q, write, consider dz equal to,
Sir, why we have to take P is equal to A? Can we take Q is equal to A?
actually, this is the procedure. Okay, here there is a reason. Okay, uh, okay, we will discuss that one little bit later, Adish. Okay,
Okay.
okay, but I don't know the exact proof how why we are taking p equal to a, but we will discuss that one after finishing this problem.
Okay, sir.
Yes, similarly for the previous method, I took what? Q is equal to A. So these are the assumption we should take. But for the why we should take, so for this question, we will discuss that portion, that part little bit later. So dz equal to, consider dz equal to pdx plus qdy. Okay, now dz equal to, what is p? A dx, q is what? Y by a dy. So if you integrate this, you'll get what? Integrate z equal to ax plus, if you integrate this, you'll get what? Y square by 2a plus b. Okay, so which is the complete solution? Which is complete solution of equation 1. So now I'll give some practice problem this type. You can try. Solve first problem, 9 into p square z plus q square equal to 4. Second problem, this is what? Function of p, q and z. Next, second problem, z equal to p square plus q square. So this is also what? Function of z comma p comma q. Third one, p into 1 minus q square is equal to q into 1 minus z. So this is also function of z comma p comma q. Okay. So Adish, you can try to eliminate a and b from this equation. Can you get pq equal to y? You can try. Okay, because this is the PDE, this is the solution. Okay, if I give this solution, can you get this? Can you get this PDE after eliminating the arbitrary constant a and b? First, we will check that part, and then from this, is it possible to get some information why we are substituting what? P equal to a. So that is our one of the way to get. Otherwise, I will check some I will check in the book, or otherwise I'll discuss with my colleagues and then I will inform you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And also you can also check in the net for why substituting this type of okay. Suppose if it is there, then you can share with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, type number 4, and this is the last problem today, and then we will go to tomorrow uh, equation. Now type number 4. Okay, type number 4, separable equation. Okay, so a first order PDE is said to be separable if it can be written as some function of x comma p. Okay, wow. X and p one side, and y and q the other side. Okay, first problem, solve p square plus q square equal to x square plus y square. So this is the problem. Here we have PQXY. So PQXY nale. So this is comes under what? Type number 4. So you can write solution. So this is the, I'll take this is 1, the given problem. From this we can write what? P square, because P and X are one side, Q and Y are other side. Okay, y square minus q square. I'll take this is equal to some constant. So everything is square. That's why I'll take this is a square. From this, equate these two, we will get what? P square equal to what? X square plus a square. Similarly, P equal to, this implies P equal to plus or minus 0. I'll take the positive value, root of x square plus a square. Similarly, next, if I equate these two, q square equal to y square minus a square. Q square equal to y square minus a square. Okay. Now, this implies what is q?
Root over y square minus a
Yeah,
square.
root of y square. Yeah, minus a square.
Minus a
Yes.
square.
Yes, correct. Okay. Next, consider what? dz equal to pdx plus qdy. So, what is p? P is the root of
X square plus a square.
x square plus a square. Sneha,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. Okay, into dx plus q. Q is what? Root of y
Y
square
square minus a square.
square into dy. Okay, wow. Now we need to integrate. Okay, wow. If you integrate, we'll get z equal to. So I gave the formula already. X square root of integration of x square plus a square. I gave just now. I gave the formula here. Okay, wow, where I gave here. Okay, wow. So using that formula, you can write. So x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into what? Sine h inverse of x by a. So over first part, if you integrate this. Next, you need to integrate what? Integration. Now I'll give the formula here. Okay, integration root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 the sine h inverse of x by a, here cos h inverse of x by a. Okay, so now I'm going to use this here. So you'll get first portion over, next plus y by 2 root of y square minus a square, okay, minus a square by 2 cos h inverse of here now y irukku, okay, y by a, close the bracket, plus b, okay, which is complete solution of equation 1. Complete solution of equation 1. Okay. Now I will give some practice problem using type 4. I solved only one problem. Okay, but in the next type, tomorrow we will discuss reduction, the equation reduction to standard type. Okay, so in that type, we will solve again type 1, type 3, type 4. Okay, so that's why I don't want to solve more problem here. So solve x minus p square, p minus x square equal to q plus y square. Again, this is what p q x y. You have problem number 2. P square plus q square is equal to x plus y. Third problem, root p plus root q equal to x plus y. And then last column, p square y into 1 plus x square is equal to 1 plus x square is equal to qx square. Okay, I'll stop here. Okay, we'll discuss next time tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can meet tomorrow. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, one doubt still.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir,
Which
before type 4, last before sum, sir, q is equal to px plus p square, that sum, sir.
this problem,
Next, yes, sir. This column, next slide, sir.
next slide. Okay, where?
Yes, sir. Sir, the
Here.
first line minus, yes, sir. Minus x into dx by 2 plus or minus half into a square plus 4a only. No, sir, we have took from dz.
Actually, here,
But there you have written x square, sir.
here,
Yes, sir. First line, sir.
first line on the minus, actually, I split it into two parts. One is what? Minus x into dx by 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
minus x by 2. Next what? Plus or minus 1 by 2 into root of x square plus 4l.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the mistake or doubt here?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir. I wrote A square, sir. So only I asked.
Here.
Yes, sir.
This is 4a only. Yes, this is not a square.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome.